Hope it turns out right. So but the unders disappear quickly. Hope it goes on right. Leave the machine. Now we're just now we're just doing the spin or washing. Now we're just doing the spin in our washing cycle. Seems to be doing a good job of turning the clothes over. So I can see it. There we go. Okay.
Hey, it's got a
Wow, good job. not going to show my sister my underwear. That's why I got my hand now. I'm just trying to cover it so you cannot see it. Currently this isn't working. Actually, you know what? So it disappeared quickly. It scraps the clothes out well. Do you have any? Alright, so I just can't add anything more in the wash dad because the washing machine is actually full already, and I'm just not going to overload it. So, because then it'll give me a user warning and working well. Let's just ignore the talking in the background. So, I found out the data manufacturer on this machine. It was manufactured in November 2003. It's right there in my room. Alright, so I have stuff in the machine to go. So it's my room, and then I'll just make sure it's alright, and then check my 6 minutes till the wash finishes, which I'm just waiting for it to seeing if I can just turn the brightness up while I was videoing. Just can't. So that they get pulled off away. Machine seems a lot faster than the camera. Now it's gone. I just ignore the talking in the background. It's just my brother. I think I totally recommend this machine. It's sadly discontinued. I wish it wasn't. This machine's a bit old by any means. So yeah, it's really nice to have to use one of these again. Maybe. Toss it on, which is good. So, but it gets. Just ignore my sister's talking in the background. No, just ignore Lulu. Don't come. Hey, hang on. Hold on a second. Shh. Stop it. Just ignore my sister. And she also came to the camera when she was naked. At least I didn't show her naked on camera. No, I don't want you in the camera. Sorry, I'm not talking about you. Just talking about my sisters. Just make. Just don't want her on the camera because I just don't want her to come here and bother me because I'm trying to record me doing the washing. There we go. So let that camera go. Now. It's gonna take a while to drain. I need to wait for the water to start to drain. Well, it comes out there really quickly, like I think after it started draining. Wow, seem to get the clothes done. I should cover that up. I'm not showing the ones in. Oh, hang on. Lulu, stop! I'm trying to film the washing machine. Just hang on. Stop going in our drawers. You're bothering me, and I'm trying.
I am not.
Yes, you are. Stop it. Thomas, just don't open the door. Can you please close the door? She's really bothering me, and I'm trying to record. Hey. Don't annoy me. I just don't want them annoying me. Why am I doing this? Because I came out of my room. They're just coming in my room. It's just not nice. Stop! Oi! You stop it! Guys, just ignore my sister. Just mean to take this. There we go. Just need to get the camera. Don't get bothered. So what's gonna happen? Let's hope it spins perfectly. Oh, there we go. So she doesn't bother me. I'm trying to spin some. That person walking was just my brother. I'm just not gonna tell you about my family right now, because I'm just not gonna share my sister's undies. Oh, gee. Just hang on. Guys, hello, stop. Thomas, just tell Mom. Just tell Mom, Thomas. Kish. Can you please make sure she doesn't come in here and bother me, because she came in the laundry when she was naked, and I wasn't videoing her. Just trying to video properly in case I upload the video in the future. Hey, you stop, everybody. Do not spit, that's disgusting and rude. No, I'm not disgusting. Do not comment. Guys, just ignore my sister. Hey, stop. Just ignore my sister. She thinks I'm not his brother. I'm actually am. Or sister. I'm her something. She'll just ignore that talking. I'll just focus on the washing machine. Really good job. Definitely. There we go. Now we need to let that. Now I just need to wait until it begins rinsing. Well, I won't get bothered again. This is. I'll show you the wash progress. And now, if you want to do advances, you can just do that by pressing that button right there. See where my finger's pointing? That's just above the regular indicator, but if you want the cycle to end a bit faster, but I'm actually going to let the wash cycle play and do the whole thing, and just so it also rinses clothes rinse properly.
I think all yours in the wash. You'll have to borrow these ones from Freddie. Okay?
Okay. Just hold on. Just ignore my mom. See if it's gonna be more sprays, or if it's gonna. Maybe it'll. Oh, yep, more sprays. I think it's either like the second to last or the last sprays before it goes up to medium spin, and then after a little bit, slow down, disengage the lock, and then that'd be the point where I'd take the coat hanger out and then do a deep rinse, and then go. It's okay for you to borrow my togs. I just need to borrow my togs since his was, because I just need to borrow some of my togs because I have his togs in the wash. Finally, I'm getting a full. On the camera with both my hands. There we go. are. I should pop it in so you can see a little bit closer. So spray in some. So the lights are so I noticed that the lights are actually flickering on the but in reality it's actually not. It's just something to do with the camera. I think it's just always happens when you're recording something that has lights, and some options like on the washing machine. Gosh. Hang on.